Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get some of this for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. I want to show you the progress. We are on day 7 right now, the grass that I planted 7 days ago. And this is the Kentucky fescue. This is how it's looking. Unbelievable. Unbelievable for 7 days. I didn't put anything on top of it. As you can see, it's blended in really well on the right side. It's coming across, making its way over to the left, and it is phenomenal. So again, this is a 7-day update. Luckily, I have a sprinkler right here, which is a brand new Rainbird that I just installed, and it is covering this whole area very well. And I have another sprinkler over there, which covers this whole area too. And luckily, I got another sprinkler over there, as you can see, which covers this whole area as well. They all fan in a 180-degree pattern like this. Getting a lot of coverage here, getting covered very well, getting a ton of water. Every day I have it coming on twice. I have it coming on in the morning for an hour and a half, and I have it coming on at night for an hour and a half. So it's getting plenty of water all day long, every day, 2 times a day. And that's it. I didn't go over it with any kind of dirt. I didn't go over it with any kind of peat moss. I didn't go over it with lime. Everybody told me 1,000 different ways to do it. I went over it with Milorganite, the trusty organic fertilizer, which is amazing. So this is what I'm using, Milorganite nitrogen fertilizer. Unbelievable. Right after I took all the grass up and cut it down to the dirt, I went over the whole entire yard with the Milorganite, and I put double the amount that you normally put. Really coated it well. That's when I started putting the grass seed down. This is your 7-day update. This is how it's looking. Unbelievable. I'll look at it from this side so you can see. It's almost blended in perfect right there. It's really coming up fast. If you wanted to pick up some of this grass seed for yourself, I'm leaving links down in the description. And if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks for watching. Take care.